Karon ato lang sugdan ang BizTalk kauban si Kapuso host Drew Arellano. Pinaagi kang Cecil.
Mga kauban nato this morning mga kapuso, si Kapuso host Drew Arellano. Hi Drew, kumusta? Mayong buntag.
Mayang buntag, good morning, Miss Cecil. How are you? I love what you're wearing, the background, the brick background. I love it.
Ayan, thank you naman. Thank you so much. Ikaw, kumusta ka? Gusto ka namin kumustahin and the whole Arellano family.
I personally, I'm okay. Sometimes I cry at night because magulo yung mga anak ko, no? Pero tulog na sila. No. Seriously speaking, we're fine. We are just moving forward and, adjusting because of these crazy times. But thank you so much for asking. How are you? How are you guys there?
Eto, kinakaya everyday. Kaya ginagawa namin to sa GMA Regional TV Live para mapasaya din yung mga viewers natin. And thank you for granting this interview.
Thank you. Thank you also for having me.
Drew, we'd like to know your daddy duties this quarantine kasi sila Primo and Leon, they're growing up so fast.
For the past couple of days, we've been doing some nesting. I'm not sure para sa mga hindi pa nakaka-experience ng buntis sa household, kapag mga anak na kailangan malinis yung bahay. So, each sulok ng bahay talagang nililinis namin.
Kumusta naman sila Leon and Primo?
We don't let them see the stress in our eyes. No, we just, we keep on playing. We try to learn as much as possible. Of course, we try to do homeschool. So far they've been adjusting well, and then they have each other, so at least they can play with each other now.
You make parenting look really fun and easy. Kayo ni Iya, kaya hashtag couple goals talaga kayo. And many people look up to you both. Paano nyo to navigate lahat?
It's a work in progress. We are far from being perfect. We are also new parents, so we are trying different methods. We're not experts when it comes to parenting, but because I guess with our personalities now, we're very active, we're very, I guess, malikot and hyper sa house. Nakukuha yun ng mga anak din namin. And I guess malaking bagay din nga kasi if ever we train in the morning, we do exercise in the morning together, there's a certain type of happy hormones, the endorphins kick in, and when we enter back in the house, parang it's very contagious. So malaking bagay yun na we have a happy household. Because that's where it all starts.
Energy-filled household talaga. And talking about energy, etong Biyahe ni Drew is full of energy talaga yung show mo. And we're all fans of Biyahe ni Drew. And you've visited several tourist spots, di ba? Dito sa Cebu and other parts dito sa Visayas. What has been the most memorable places dito and food that you really enjoyed?
Alam mo, top of mind ko talaga ay Mualboal. Dahil sa tapos sa yung Badyan, tapos na yung Kapirok with the Kawasan Falls. Cebu is such a rich island. It's such a rich region, and kaya nga for the past how many years na kami nag-feature ng places sa Cebu at hindi pa rin kami nauubusan. Diba? So you guys are very lucky to have those natural resources.
You have always advocated local tourism and sustainability, and with the long-term impact nitong COVID nga na pandemic sa tourism sector, ano yung gusto mong ibigay na mensahe sa mga tourism sectors natin, especially dito sa Cebu, para muli silang makabangon from this crisis?
I think naman most sectors nahihirapan kahit ano pa lang sa bahay pa lang di ba parang nahihirapan na rin tayo. We just need to learn how to adapt and evolve. Di ba sinasabi nga nila, we have to pivot right now because this is so not normal, and we have to be creative in ways to sustain 'di ba? Yun naman yun eh, parang we have to sustain. We need to survive muna now.
Drew, let's talk
Correct,
about your
correct.
other informative program, Ang AHA. Kasi this has been really, this is an award-winning show, no? You were awarded with an Anak TV Seal Award noong 2019. How do you plan to go about the show under the new normal?
Malapit na. Feeling ko malapit na kaming mag-shoot ulit. Bumili na nga ako ng green na tela. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung green na tela ay pang alam niyo na yan.
Oo.
Pang magandang background ba? Chroma.
Chroma,
Kung tawagin
yes.
sa production. So maybe I can shoot at home muna,
Yes.
'di ba? Probably shoot some new content and air it eventually.
Before we end the interview, ano yung mensahe mo para sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin?
This is just like trying times. We just need to try as much as possible, get the silver lining out of these trying times. This too shall pass. Yeah, this is just temporary. Some people are going to be laid off, but eventually they're going to be hired back, hopefully, because people will need people, di ba? So, yep, my number 2 is crying already because he just woke up. But yeah, kapit lang, guys. We will soon rise again, and we will travel to Visayas very, very soon.
We look forward to that, Drew. But for now, stay safe kayo ni Iya. Regards to Iya and the kids. Daghang salamat for joining us.
Daghang salamat, Cecile. Thank you so much.